Thousands of enslaved people were sold here as early as the 1770s. It is definitely emotional when you think my relatives came through there in chains.
This is what you call KJ style. This is how I eat it.
Hold up, let's go for it. Charleston, South Carolina is renowned for its rich history, scenic beauty, and vibrant culture. However, its history is also marred by the dark legacy of slavery, a deeply embedded aspect of its past that significantly shaped the city's development. Charleston's prosperity was built on the backs of enslaved Africans. The city's port was one of the primary entry points for slaves brought to America. Charleston became a bustling hub for the transatlantic slave trade, with thousands of African men, women, and children arriving in chains to be sold into slavery. Okay, was just shooting video in front of the Slave Mart Museum, and it is definitely emotional when you think of how many of my relatives came through there, you know, in chains. I've traveled around the world and been to different countries, but Charleston always does it when it comes to emotion, you know, just thinking about that. You know, that's deep. Just looking at that brick and cement and concrete, because I'm sure there were no cushiony beds to lay on, you know. Anyway, not to go too deep into it, just sharing some of the emotion and feeling that I'm going through right now. A lot of you visitors that come to downtown Charleston, make sure that they visit the Charleston Market, which actually is like maybe a good 5 short blocks. Actually, it's 3 Charleston blocks, but I think it's like 5 buildings all the way down to that way. It's a basket show. I am about to try, y'all know it's been a barbecue thing, man, all the way from Blenheim, South Carolina, all the way down to Savannah. Now we back in Charleston. Tomorrow we coming back to Jersey, man. But we're gonna try out KJ Style BBQ here in the Charleston Market. I was like, look, man, I gotta give my man a try. I saw some people eating it over in the corner and they bit into it and it looked like butter. So man, tell us, just give us a little brief about your business here. He is the owner too, by the way, which is why I stopped here. Anyway, what's happening, man? Tell us about if you can see yourself, who you are, and what's going on.
My name is KJ. I am the barbecue man around the city. I'm the little guy on the corner, so you always know if you want some good food, you always go to the little guy on the corner.
The little guy, like that.
But my specialty are my ribs. I do smoke my ribs between 6 to 7 hours. The dry rub, I created myself. It is a 7-blend dry rub. I put a lot of love and tender and care in it, and it speaks for itself.
What sauce should we get?
These are well-known sauces around.
Okay, which one would you pick? Which one's spicy?
Me personally, I love the blend between these two.
Okay,
together.
so that's the Carolina tangy right there, y'all.
Yeah.
And then
Chicken burger.
the sweet baby Ray's. Wait a minute, where I know that from? Who is that? Sweet baby Ray's. Where they from?
Sweet baby Ray's is well known. It's all over the United States.
I know that.
He makes really, really good sauces.
Right.
This kicking bourbon is actually a wing sauce.
Yeah.
But it goes so good on everything else.
Right. Which one is the hottest?
The kicking bourbon.
We're gonna get the sweet baby Ray's kicking bourbon, y'all. Let's check it out. Let me pay for this food. Oh, he's putting it on already, man. He's got that sauce, putting it on back there. Look at it. What was that one? It was a double. You did a double whammy.
Double whammy.
Oh, okay. So we got both of them, man. Hold on. Let's check this out.
So this is what you call KJ style. This is how I eat it.
Okay.
The blend with the mustard-based barbecue gives a nice little tang.
Mustard base.
And then the sweet and spicy comes from the kicking bourbon. It's just a perfect combination of sauces.
No, that looks delicious, man. Let's check it out. Thank you. Okay, y'all, we got our ribs and we're set up. I like have a little table here right in the market, man. And check these ribs out. Look at that. Look at that, man. That looks absolutely amazing. Everyone that I asked, have they had the ribs? They're like, yeah, definitely, they are delicious. I asked some people here, I believe they're tourists. They said the ribs are delicious. So let's check it out, man. That looks so beautiful. I like the way he mixed that sauce there. Got those different colors going on. Let's see what's going on. Let's see how they doing it down south. It feels really tender, man. Hold up, let's go for it. That's butter. That is the butter right there. I'm telling you, delicious. Comes right off the bone. That last rib spot that I went to have nothing on these guys right here. It was $8 for 2 ribs. If you're ever down in Charleston, South Carolina, here at the market, we're on, it looks like Anson and Market Street, man. So come check out this man. When COVID, he got laid off during COVID and he started his own business, man. KJ Style BBQ. Oh, and there's his Instagram. Check it out, yo. You got his Instagram right there and his Facebook and his telephone number. Come check this spot out. KJ Kitchen, y'all.
Check out my pralines. I was on the,
You got pralines?
I was on the Food Network.
Bring them a hold up.
Come around.
Oh, we're gonna be full. I'm gonna come around. These right here are the bomb, y'all. Look, that's how the bone is supposed to be when you have ribs. I mean, you're not supposed to see gristle on there. That meat is supposed to fall completely off the bone. Still have a whole piece left, but y'all know I'm going all around, I'm eating, so I don't want to be like get blown up out here. Also, I didn't really comment on the sauce. The sauce is delicious too. That's TOO2. I gotta go back over there and let him know how delicious his ribs are. Look, we had a fork and a spoon too. I didn't need that. Finger looking good. I want to eat this other one so bad, but y'all know my journey is just beginning. I can't just sit out here and just eat all the ribs. I'd be full. I still got one more left. Oh, let me just bite a little piece of it. See how they come right off the bone? That is amazing. I want to eat that. Okay, just a little more. I want to eat all of it now, but I gotta go.
15 is your change. Y'all have a blessed day, okay?
Any wafers?
So Bini is from a West African dialect. It's known
yeah?
as sesame seeds.
Sesame seed.
Sesame seeds were brought to Charleston, and then this recipe originated here. I was just about to open a new sample if you want to try one. Me and my aunt make the nuts.
Yeah.
So Dolores Southern Delights. We've been here for like 40 years.
They've been here 40 years in the market?
Yeah, right here by Henry's.
Yeah.
Praline cashew's my favorite. But
Right.
I literally sold out of my small praline pecans today.
Okay.
Those are just the most generic that everybody loves.
Right.
Do you want to try that one?
The pecans?
Yeah.
Yes. She sold out of the pecans. Oh, but I'm going to try it.
And
Where'd
you're
that
gonna-
go? Oh, my
Don't worry
goodness.
about
I
it.
just cost her $5, y'all. It went on the floor.
It's okay.
Let's check this out. Let's check it out. Tastes
And
like
then
butter,
we
cinnamon,
also-
brown sugar. What's
So
in them?
This one's brown sugar.
That one's brown sugar?
Yeah. So
We got one more, y'all.
One day I was just working and somebody asked me if I wanted to be on TV, and I was like, okay, sure. Miss Cadet from Miss Brown's show on the Food Network, she came to my booth and she about sold me out of all my cinnamon pecans, and she put them in one of her desserts on her show. So it was pretty cool. I got my 3 minutes of fame. You had your barbecue, now you have your dessert.
This one's the cashews, y'all. Here we go.
I know, it's pretty good.
They both are delicious.
And then you said you wanted to try the Benny, right?
Oh, you got those too?
Yeah. I might as well open this bag.
This is dessert, y'all. I'm not gonna tell them I'm diabetic. We're gonna figure that out later.
So these are made in Old Colony up in Mount Pleasant, 15 minutes from here. It takes over 12 hours to get that thin crispiness of it. This one has the Benny.
Y'all didn't see me eat that, but it's delicious. I thought I had the camera on, but I didn't. They're good, right? Good, right?
Very good.
Right?
It's cheaper, it's better, it's fresher.
That's what we getting, y'all. We getting the Benny, not Benet. It's Benny.
The Benny.
Benny.
Straight
Benny
from
wafers.
Charleston. All right, let me get you that.
That's it, man. That's on Facebook, Dolores Southern. Oh, that's the website.
Yeah.
That's the card, y'all. Check it out. All right, thanks again. Take care.
You too.
Slave auctions. Charleston was one of the largest slave trading cities in the United States. In the 1800s, the area around the old Exchange building was one of the most common sites of downtown slave auctions, along with real estate and other personal property. Thousands of enslaved people were sold here as early as the 1770s. Most auctions occurred just north of the Exchange, though sometime also took place inside. Merchants also sold slaves at nearby stores on Broad, Chalmers, State, and East Bay Street. Continued on the other side. To the other side.
I didn't realize that. I missed that.
Enslaved Africans were usually sold at wharfs along the city harbor. Some Africans were sold near the Exchange, but most people sold here were born in the U.S., making this a key site in the domestic slave trade. In 1856, the city banned auctions of slaves and other goods from the Exchange. Indoor sales grew elsewhere in Ryan's Mart, a complex of buildings between Queen and Chalmers Street became the main downtown auction. Okay.